In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know if your Squarespace site is down. So let's dive right into it and walk through this step-by-step process. First things first, you want to navigate to your Squarespace homepage. If you're already logged into Squarespace, you'll find yourself at the dashboard. This is your central hub where you can access all the key sections of your site. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to it. Now, once you're on your homepage, locate and click on the Settings menu. This will open up a range of options that are crucial for managing your site. The settings are where all the behind-the-scenes magic happens, so it's an area you'll want to be comfortable navigating. After opening the settings, the next place you should go is Domains and Email. This section is critical because it involves everything related to your site's address and the emails associated with it. Go ahead and click on Domains. Here you'll see a list of all the domains linked to your Squarespace account. At this stage, you're looking to ensure that your domain is correctly connected and, importantly, that it's active. If your domain is showing any errors or inactive statuses, those could be potential reasons your site appears down. In the domain section, you should see a clear status indicator. If everything is running smoothly, you should see something like connected or active. If there's an issue, the system typically provides you with some information about what might be wrong, like DNS errors or expired domains. If all your domains appear fine but you're still experiencing problems, don't worry. There's an additional check you can do. Now, let's move on to the next part of our process. You need to go to Squarespace's status page, which you can reach by typing in status.squarespace.com in your browser. Once you're there, look for All Systems Operational. This is a quick way to check if there are any widespread issues with Squarespace's services, which could potentially be affecting your site. If there's an outage or problem on Squarespace's end, it'll be clearly noted here. Keeping an eye on this page can save you time and provide reassurance that the issue is being addressed on their end. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to determine whether your Squarespace site is experiencing downtime due to a domain issue, or if there's a larger system-wide problem. Now, whenever you feel like your site isn't working as it should, you can confidently troubleshoot using these tips. Remember that staying informed and checking these configurations regularly will help keep your site running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.